Dear friends, with digital technology taking precedence, it is evident that a digital platform provides a wider reach and audience. We are thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister to launch an era of digitization which will bring more of transparency and also improve corporate governance. Public sector enterprises have a long history of shaping the socio-economic condition of the nation, be it defense, agriculture, service sector. Public sector is the backbone and have always contributed as a strong foundation for upliftment of the social economic progress of the country. Even in the government's initiatives like Skill India, Swachh Bharat, Make in India, public sector enterprises have taken the lead role and have become instrumental in its implementation process. Standing Conference of Public Sector Enterprises, SCOPE, being an apex organization of PSEs, therefore has come up with this unique initiative to launch its YouTube channel to showcase the achievements and accomplishments of PSEs. It also aims to bring forth important policy issues, economic issues pertaining to the public sector. This channel will serve as a platform for the public sector fraternity to convey their message across the world. Scope YouTube channel will commence with the videos of the chief executives address talking about their respective organization, their achievements, future prospects, their contribution to CSR, and also their contribution to nation's progress, their contribution to make a new India. As Chairman Scope, I would request each one of you to take this opportunity to showcase your achievements as a public sector in the nation building, which is free of cost. For any further detail, you may please contact Scope DG Secretariat. I have also suggested DG Scope to come out with the first episode for this channel, giving details about the public sector enterprises in India and their contribution to nation building. With this message, I formally now launch Scope YouTube channel. I hope public sector organizations shall be an active participant on this channel. Like, share and subscribe to this channel to get regular updates. Jai Hind. Thank you.